today's project we need cardboards, foam boards, male and female DC jack, toggle switch, potentiometer, large screw nail with nuts, two small screw nails with nuts, male to female pins, right-angled plastic parts, tiny copper or iron rods, RGB LED strips, and 3 DC switches. Now let's get started. First take the cardboard and cut a hexagonal shape with a distance of 9 cm from center to a vertex. Now cut the same shape from the foam board. Prepare the outer part of the hexagonal box as shown in the video. Now we are done with the casing. First of all, check the RGB LED strips. Then take 12 parts from the long strip. Paste those LED lights as shown in the video. Don't forget to mark the path that you are going to solder. Now solder the lights in series way. If it is difficult to solder, go and check the video top soldering tips from here. Now we are done soldering. Supply 12 volts and check the lights. Take wires out from the panel. Attach the related switches to the form board. Wiring diagram is in the description below. Mount some male to female pins to the light. This is for future activities. After completing the wirings, check the light again. Now let's complete the studio light. These plastic parts are used to take the strength to the light. Cover the edges using black tape. Now we are done. Let's check the light. Now let's go to mode 2. In this mode, you can control the brightness of the light. Stay tuned for the second part of this video to make a 360 rotating handle for this light. So until next video, stay safe, stay subscribed.